Now let's discuss truth table for disjunction, that is OR. Now OR is true if, now again we are having two simple statements, okay, then we are converting with OR, using OR, it becomes a compound statement. So OR, using OR is true if at least one of its component statement is true, otherwise it is false. Now logically, we can write it the statement P or Q has truth value true, okay, the statement P or Q has truth value true when either of P or Q or both are true or their truth value is true. The statement P or Q has truth value false when both P and Q are false. Okay, so this is basic thing for the OR table. Now let's go for an example. Now example 1. Now let this be statement P and then we are breaking it into two simple statements. Now the compound statement P, two lines intersect at a point or are parallel. Now let's check it. Now Q. Now what Q says? Two lines intersect at a point are two lines are parallel. Now what conclusion what arises here? Two lines intersect at a point. Now two lines, they can intersect at a point, but the lines can parallel be also, okay. So we can say when Q is correct, R is false, okay. Now when Q is true, R is false. Therefore compound statement P is true because one is true, at least one is true. When Q is false, R is true. Now I am just using symbols, okay. When Q is false, R is true. Therefore compound statement P is true, okay. Now let's go for another example. Now example 2 is the compound statement P is New Delhi is in Australia, or Darling Harbour is in Mumbai. Now what the compound simple statements will be? P, Q. Q will be New Delhi is in Australia. Darling Harbour is in Mumbai. Now can you tell me New Delhi is in Australia is true? No, this is false, because New Delhi is in India, not in Australia. Darling Harbour is in Mumbai. This is also wrong, because Darling Harbour is in Australia. Okay, so it means both the simple statements are false, then the compound statement will also be false. Okay, so logically how to fill the table again? Now when P is true, Q is true, it means P or Q is true. When P is true, Q is false, P or Q is true. P is false, Q is true, P or Q will be true. And if P is false, Q is false, then P or Q will also be false. Okay, so this is truth table for all.